It started out when I was like 14 years old, breaking a tooth or chipping a tooth on a bologna sandwich of all things. Wear on my teeth started just getting worse after that. It was just getting worse and worse over time. Everything that I was told from dentists was that, well, anything that I wanted to do about it was purely cosmetic surgery. So I just stopped going to the dentist. There's no point in it.
I want to get my smile back. You know, I smile a lot. I want to feel confident. I want to be able to eat and just being able to live life like everybody else and eat like everybody else. You're always worried that what else is going to happen. So all the things we all take for granted, right?
My dentures weren't fitting right. I wasn't able to eat very well. It was embarrassing because a couple of teeth were missing. It really took my soul, my personality down.
The worst part of my teeth was I was losing. They were falling out, and so I needed to replace them. I had years with holes in my mouth, and I was afraid to smile. And then of course you could see how yellow they were. They were getting rotten. This isn't just something I started when I was 60 years old and I'm going to get my teeth fixed. Now it's been years of implants and bridges and crowns and, I've been in a dentist more than I've been in my own home, I think.
Eating, chewing. I was always chewing on one side, couldn't chew on the other side. It always hurt. Now I can chew on both sides, and it's like, wow, I can eat this piece of meat, and to bite in a piece of meat, it's like I can bite through the piece of meat and not stop halfway and have to chew. It was an amazing experience from day one. This doctor's office, y'all are just 100% amazing. I can't think of one bad experience at all. So the teeth work like they did, I guess, when I was a kid, but heck, who remembers how they were back, that far back? I mean, I'm 65 years old, and it was one of the best investments I've ever made. Look into it. Don't worry about the payments or the monies, because it's worth every penny.
So this is the end. I'm finally done. And like I told Dr. Howell, I said, I'm an old lady. I just want to be able to smile and not worry about having a hole somewhere in my mouth. You think they're looking right at your mouth, right, and they probably aren't, but I always felt like they're zeroing right in on that and wondering to themselves, why does she have a hole in her mouth? Why doesn't she go get that taken care of? Now I don't have to worry about that. No one says anything, and I don't have to worry about what they're looking at.
I couldn't quit looking in the little mirror in your visor while I was driving. A lot more people smiled at me, and I was able to smile back, showing my teeth without having to smile, hiding them. I'm really grateful for what has been done and how they helped me out. Definitely changed my life in a much more positive way.
You come in very insecure and you think you're going to be judged, and they don't. Everybody's very welcoming here. My coworkers at an event, and they're just like, wow, your teeth look great. And those were just the temps that were put in. And they imagine what the next level is going to look like. So, and I've gotten nothing but compliments, right? Just because you smile from ear to ear, you're just like, I'm ready. I'm going to smile all the time. That's what happens. It's changed my life from being insecure to eat, to giving you a half smile, to just, being able to just be full out me. And I'm a laugher. I show like, I'm a big personality. So now I can let it shine through.
And the outcome was beyond expectations. I could actually chew food again for the first time in months. That was amazing. And the first thing I had was an orange. I hadn't been able to eat oranges in 30 years. I didn't really even know what they tasted like. It's really so much better just with teeth that work the way they're supposed to. The final product was perfect. It looked like what I feel like my teeth looked like 35 years ago.